Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while. See all you can see, all you can do, be all you can be, go all that you can go, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while.
So we're going to capture these houses right here. There's TDM right there as well. So we're going to be capturing these beautiful houses while we walk down this particular street, which is I'll highlight it in a moment. But we're not going to walk down the whole street, but you can see these beautiful banyan trees, these nice colonial homes. And then where we came down was towards Mongha. So this street would go down the hill a little bit. But there's just like a parking lot to the left and something not so interesting. But there is the tourism university up there. But I want to start here. So we're going to start here and just walk down the street. So stay tuned for that. Macau, up on the map, so you can see exactly where we are. And this is kind of, well, you can see it on the map, so I won't even explain where it is. But it's big wide boulevard that goes quite a long way, so I'm just going to only walk a part of it. Without further ado, there's some music that you heard. That music is going up the screen now. And I think that's all you need to know. And I know that all you really want to do is just walk down the street as if you were there yourself. So let's do that. And here's another slice of Macau for you. Yeah, some beautiful. So this whole area would have been something that would have been in this area called Mongha. And so Mongha would have been a traditional Chinese village that would have been here way back 500 years ago. The Portuguese were in the Macau, like south of here, and this would have been a village that was Chinese, with a temple not too far from here where they signed the Treaty of Mongha and different things historically as well. But we're going to be walking all the way down this way. These homes are amazing. The lighting is just on is on too, so it makes it even better. We're not going to be seeing all homes all the way down, but we'll see some. It's like this is it opened up for different things. So this one is Cultural Institute, Museum of Xinghai. Let's keep on going. Xinghai is a composer. So there's some statues of him and another street named after him as well. And then he also has his own museum, which is the one that was right there. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking all the way down. Yeah, they do have some nice houses here. But usually I try to film streets, so I'm not going to focus too much on those, but we will come around like this. And then those go all the way down this street too, which is Colonel Mesquita. Really nice. But usually what I try to do in my videos is I try to focus on streets. So this street will transition to something else, but I want to capture it anyways. So this is actually Francisco Xavier Pereira. So we're just gonna keep meandering down the street. It's kind of a windy evening today. Rain, got the trees are kind of blowing everywhere. To the left, the big giant building is Francis Xavier. It's connected to the Francis Xavier Church. And then the yellow one over there is also the church as well. So this whole block. But we're going to keep navigating towards different things. And we'll just try to capture it. But that's the church right straight ahead. Catholic church. So Francis Xavier Pereira, I think it's called. So Francis, Saint, there's a lot of names here with that reference, because there was a Saint Francis Xavier who died in China, not too far from here, and became a martyr. I still don't need my umbrella. So this is So we're going to keep on going down. There's something of Mongha, Central Church of Mongha. Check out this tall building. So we're going to try to highlight. So usually when I do my videos, I try not to turn the camera off, because I want to have a record of exactly what it looked like in 2025, including all the spots, even if there's like a stretch with a giant church like that. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking all the way down. Kind of cool. Yeah, actually when they had a typhoon here called Hato in 2017, I was living here, and a lot of these big trees in the middle were down. We had these big massive banyan trees. A lot of them were knocked down. It's quite crazy to see. So now they look quite a bit smaller than they did before. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down that way. We got our green light. Okay. And we're gonna be getting into more of a busier area than this way. Got a lot of buses coming up here too on the left. Some of the stores are closed. But we're gonna keep the camera going. It does have some value because you get to see what this side of Macau looks like, and tourists don't really come here either. It's a little side street. I'm gonna keep on walking down. I'm gonna keep the camera going. This is quite a long street, so I think if I filmed it from end to end, it'd probably take me close to 30 minutes probably. But we're gonna give a slice of it anyways today, and at least you kind of get an idea. It's kind of narrow sidewalks in here. It's also getting a little bit dark. Okay. So you got these banyan trees in the middle. It's kind of normal trees. Try to make it a little bit interesting so you can see the bicycle place. Okay. There are some interesting side streets. Here's another side street that just connects. So we're still walking down our street here. Okay, looks like I can't go across here, so I'll have to go around, all the way around. to go all the way down that way. So I guess we'll do that. So we were coming down this street right here, and then we're gonna continue down this way. So we'll keep on walking, and then we're gonna be walking down that way over there. We'll try to give you some idea what the street looks like. So we're gonna come over here, and then we're gonna keep on walking down this way. All these, everything's all lit up here. So let's go down this side, because this side looks like it's a little bit not as crowded as that side. And we'll just give you an idea of what it looks like, but you can see that this goes up quite a ways. But we'll just try to keep it as steady as possible. At nighttime it also will shake more, so I have to it'll be the end of my videos of this particular day shortly. But we'll give you an idea. But it is a slice of Macau, and you get to see what it looks like. And actually these are some nice dense streets in here, so there's a lot of shops. But it's not very good when I film because of the lighting is nice, but the camera, these GoPro cameras, they kind of shake at nighttime. So we'll just go a little bit further. But anyways, so this is keep on going up. So I think what I'm gonna do is you can kind of see what the street looks like. It just keeps going up and up and up. It's the Royal Supermarket. And then this is the name of the street right here. So, okay. You can next to. So we basically came from all the way up that way. The lighting is amazing right now. And that's, we'll keep on going up the street. So let's end it right here.